Time to put Screwball's fans back behind bars where they belong.
大家好，我是游戏小银，欢迎来到漫威蜘蛛侠 DLC 的游戏世界。蜘蛛无人机，再补给能力。
Guys, we've really got to stop meeting like this.
注意躲闪子弹，让你开枪。
One thing hasn't changed. Screwball's getting others to do her dirty work. What were they setting up anyway?
怪咖女在之前的支线任务中出现过，因为当时我急着录制主线任务，所以就把她给略过了，呵呵。
Spider-Man! Wasn't that exciting? Perfect way to kick off my brand new show, starring you.
Sorry, my dance card's full.
Pretty sure you'll make time for this, because if you don't, my fans will get angry and people will die. I just love reality shows, don't you?
Some people do anything for clicks.
哈哈。
I'll be live streaming every moment, so don't screw up. Mwah!
找出城市各处的怪咖女挑战，完成挑战赚取挑战代币。她就像之前的模仿大师一样，会让我们去挑战各种各样的任务。在之前的支线任务中，她也是召集了大量敌人，并自编自导自演了一出绑架案，最终被我们的小蜘蛛送进了监狱。而现在，刚刚新版释放了她，又搞起了非常怪咖的网络直播。她的这种疯狂举动，总能让我联想到 DC 的小丑女。
SM! Know what an EMP emitter is? Well, here's an ELI 5. If you don't disable them, they'll knock out power across the city. Oh, and if you don't disable them in the right order, zap! Better hurry.
Bet she's using a binary signal repeater. I can piggyback on it to visualize the right path.
按照正确的轨迹顺序，利用蛛丝回到这些电磁脉冲发射器。
I think my web will disable them.
这就是之前破坏电光人变压器所用的方法。
I'm gonna send some photobomb targets out there, so keep an eye out. If I get a pick at the right time, bonus!
在怪咖女的挑战中，我们可以用抢剑王目标来赚取奖励点数。在怪咖女的大金条全满时，按下右一键来取得最多奖励点数，所获得的点数会全部加到我们的挑战总分里。
Well played!
Got one. Gotta keep moving.
一定要按照轨迹顺序来破坏电磁脉冲发射器。 抢镜时间到！耶！
Yes, yes, yes! Derek Dunk's comment. Whoa, best show ever! Thanks, Derek! Woo! Look at him go! We've got so many viewers, the stream's getting choppy! I love it! Photobomb! Don't miss it!
Yeah!
Yes, yes, yes!
So close to perfection.
Pretty good, but 67% of viewers think you could do better.
Hey, Peter. I might have found Black Cat's next target.
Really? How?
Because according to police dispatch, there was just a burglary matching her MO. I'm sending you the location. Hey, if you find her, don't let her play you again.
Yeah, I'll be on guard. She's... I don't know. She just seems to bring bad luck wherever she goes.
Black Cat brings bad luck? That's a little on the nose, Pete.
黑猫是扫把星？怎么可能？都不知道有多少人盼着它出来呢。嘿嘿嘿！
Felicia, what have you done this time? Cops have blocked off the whole street. If I can pick up the cat's trail, maybe I can catch up to her. Looks like the security guard was hurt. Maybe the EMT can tell me what happened.
哎，过了。
What happened here?
Spider-Man, I heard someone stole a rare book or something.
Is the guard gonna be okay?
Pretty bad case of photokeratitis. basically a flash burn of his corneas, but he'll recover.
非致命伤害，黑猫的一贯作风。
I need to check the alley. If Felicia did this, I've got to find her. Antique book. Looks like it's volume 2 of a set. Where's volume 1? There's a high-end pawn shop owned by the Macchio family around here. Felicia already took 2 data drives from other families. Did she just take a third? There have to be more clues around here. Magnesium flare. Probably what burned that guard's eyes. If I analyze the residue, I can track her.
啊，又是这个小游戏，在左边的碎片库里选择与右边光谱上缺口位置相互吻合的碎片，然后移动到光谱的下方就可以了。另外，碎片库里的碎片我们并不是都要用到。
Got it. There's the trail. Let's see where it leads. Having a hard time focusing. I can't be a dad. I mean, technically I can be.
技术上。
I need to tell MJ. She'll know what to do. But how am I gonna tell her? I should do it. It looks like a member of the Macchio crime family.
犯罪帮派之间出现了争斗。
And here come some of his brothers.
蛛网炸弹，
Maybe Vito got KO'd for
然后
acting
震荡波动，
like this.
轻松解决战斗。
Better get back on the trail. Those look like Hammerhead's guys. MJ, sending you a pic of a plate I need you to run.
Got it. I'll let you know what I find.
You get it?
Yeah.
The hell? Where's the drive?
She said she wanted to deliver it to Hammerhead personally.
Didn't I tell you to get the drive?
Yeah, but she gave the other ones to him, so I just figured...
So I tell you to do something, and you don't do it! Now, you know what happens next.
Wait! 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 Wait!
Hey,
注意躲闪
I'm so surprised. You said you knew what happened next.
蛛网炸弹，开启人人平等战役能力，一击撂倒敌人。使用时间也太短了。
Great. Here, fellas. It's probably overdue.
过期了，是的，硬盘又被黑猫抢先夺走了。黑猫被铁锤头团伙要挟，在各个帮派之间盗取硬盘。如果他不照做，那么铁锤头团伙就会杀了他的儿子。
MJ, the cat got another data drive.
Just one more and Hammerhead has the drives from all the other Macchio families. We gotta figure out what's on those drives.
And there's something else. There's this thing. Probably not a big thing, but it could be a thing. A little, maybe a big thing.
Please say a sentence that doesn't include the word thing.
Okay. The reason Felicia's working for Hammerhead is because he took her son.
Huh. I didn't know she had a son. Well, certainly sounds like something Hammerhead would do.
There's this other thing. You know that she and I dated for a while.
Yeah, so? Oh. Oh, are you serious?
I mean, I don't know for sure, but it's possible.
Ew. Ugh. I need to hang up now.
啊，有点尴尬。
Okay then. She'll call back when she's cooled off. Right? Felicia, we need to talk.
Oh, I do miss our little chats. But I've got to run.
啊，你太不长记性了。
She shorted out my web shooters with an EMP. Guess I'm doing this the old-fashioned way.
推动左摇杆并按住右二键，跑酷追击黑猫。
Come on, I want to help.
Then back off!
If Hammerhead's got your son, you can't do this alone.
Why not? I've done everything else alone.
I'm saying you don't have to.
哦，帅气！
Why won't you trust me? We worked together before.
Answered your own question, didn't you?
Felicia, why didn't you come to me with this?
Because it's not your problem. It's mine, and I'll handle it.
Maybe I don't think it's a problem. Wait, unless you mean the gang war, because that's definitely a problem.
Stay away. I'm better off on my own.
Huh? Ah!
Shooter's finally rebooted. It's whipping time.
灵活运用快速移动和逐随飞弹追上黑猫。
I can help you stop Hammerhead.
How? No killing, no breaking the law? Your way won't get it done.
Felicia, about your son. I just need to know. Is he?
He's mine, and I'll take care of him.
这里空间狭窄，而且黑猫会随时丢掷炸弹，所以最好不要使用定点飞跃。
Stubborn little spider.
I just want to talk.
Still with me?
I could go all night if that's what it takes.
Now you're getting my attention.
Guess I gotta play harder to get.
Need to get closer.
Last time, don't look for me.
好啦，现在环境开阔，尽情使用定点飞跃。接近黑猫以后，对它发射普通蛛网。
Stop running.
Stop chasing me!
我们现在无法使用战衣能力和蛛网发射器的其他装备，只能用普通蛛网来阻止它。不过这也够用了。
Why are you webbing?
Trying to slow you down.
当心黑猫在它经过之处扔下了电磁炸弹，不要完全按照它的行进路线进行追击，以免被炸伤。
Got her.
黑猫真能跑，难怪身材这么好。
Can't let her get away this time. A few more webs should do it. Finally, now I can get in close. Now can we talk like human beings?
This feels pretty human to me.
I know what's on those drives you're stealing.
Look at you, brawn and brains.
You can't give Hammerhead the last drive. Once he has what he wants, your son will just be a loose end. Let me help you.
What are you thinking?
Stall him. Give us some time to find your son.
I missed you. Glad we're back together again.
Not like that.
Shame. Okay. I can probably give us a couple days, max.
So, about your son, is there a chance I'm...
Later. For now, let's find him. When he's safe. We can talk about that. Keep in touch, Spider.
MJ's gonna kill me.
Hey, you get her this time?
Yeah, she's gonna stall Hammerhead while we all try to find her son.
Did she tell you if you're...
She didn't say.
Of course she didn't. Are you sure she's not just playing you?
I know her. She wouldn't be working for someone like Hammerhead unless she had to.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna run that plate number you sent me. I'll let you know where it leads.
Whew. I'm running out of steam. Time for a pick-me-up.
Eddie's Pizza.
Eddie, it's Spider-Man.
Spidey, you sound hungry.
You know it. Can I get the usual? Extra pepperoni?
I'm on it. You want rooftop delivery?
Yes, please. Same rooftop as last time.
Give me a few. I'll let you know when it's ready.
While I'm waiting on Eddie, let me head out into the city and see what's what. I think I'm close to one of those stolen paintings.
这是最后一幅遗失的名画了。这里就是之前毒蝎人的藏身之地。
The loot must be in here. There. I wonder how much this painting is worth. Detective, looks like I found the last stash.
啊，得到新的战衣。
No. That's the last piece of Hardy's legacy. I really can't thank you enough, Spider-Man.
Glad to help, Detective Mackey.
And hey, I think you're right about the new cat. Look out for her, okay? It'd mean a lot to me.
什么情况？多照顾她。
That was weird. What did he mean by that? Should call him back and ask him.
The number you have dialed is no longer in
空号。
And that's even weirder. Better stop by his precinct.
麦基警探一直在调查一代黑猫的案子，而且对一代黑猫的经历了如指掌。他在上期视频中请求蜘蛛侠帮他找回一代黑猫藏在城市各处的赃物，并在蜘蛛侠寻找的过程中谈及到了二代黑猫与蜘蛛侠之间的关系。现在他又希望蜘蛛侠多照顾二代黑猫，什么意思啊？
Hey, I'm looking for Detective Mackey.
Mackie? Doesn't ring a bell.
Older guy with a mustache?
Either you got the wrong precinct, or someone played you.
Yeah, someone played me all right. Sergeant Mackey, or do you prefer Walter Hardy?
哇！
Hey, don't judge me. I did what I had to do.
Your daughter thinks you're dead, you know.
And let's keep her thinking that. For her sake. Deal?
Deal? You just conned me. Why should I do anything for you?
'Cause you're a decent guy. Take care of my little girl.
I'm so gullible. I need to learn how to be heartless and cynical like everyone else.